This is Go Figure, day number 9. Max said that another reason he wanted to create a Spaniard action figure is because I have tattoos. He was from an earlier generation when tattoos were less common and judged harshly, but he knew that times had changed and he wanted his action figures to keep up. And while Max repeated that he liked my tattoos, he also saw a need to approach them on the action figure in a special way. I could hardly believe what he said. Lesson on the left. Customs change and generations sometimes clash. How you treat others of a different age, whether older or younger, matters very much, including if they disagree with you about things like music or tattoos. Having said that, my advice about tattoos for anyone who wants one is think about it for a long time first. Make sure that it is as timeless as possible so it will always have meaning. And always go to a trustworthy tattoo artist. A tattoo is there for life. Yes, you can get it lasered off, but that can get complicated. So this part is about tattoos and customs or norms that come and go with age and with generation. So for example, think of the music that you listen to. Think of people that you follow on social media, shows that you watch, and then ask your parents or your aunt, uncle, whomever, older brother even, hey, who did you like when you were young? And sometimes sometimes you'll be like, oh yeah, that's pretty good. But more often than not, you look at them like they have two heads and you say, oh my gosh, you like that stuff? Things change. Things change. Things come back around. Customs are different with ages, generations, norms are different. There was a time when tattoos, actually, one of my favorite things is seeing older men, and I'm guessing this is World War II age, like sailor tattoos on their forearms. I love that. I love that. I myself have 3 tattoos, my family crest on my leg, I have Spaniard on my forearm, and I have Carpe Diem on my lower back. All 3 of them have meaning. The trends of tattoos, what you get, where you get the tattoos, they change and evolve over time. I'm not one to tell you to go get a tattoo. I'm certainly not saying that. All I would say is if it's, like I say in the book, if it's something you want to do, like text messaging, like putting things out there on social media, it will be there forever. So make sure you think long and hard about it, and make sure you go to, like it says in the book, a trustworthy tattoo artist as well. I don't regret my tattoos. They are representative of times of my life, things that are important to me then that are still important to me to this day. Will I get more tattoos? I don't know. I have an idea for another tattoo, but I haven't gotten it yet.